Welcome to Dharma Foundation. In this video, I am going to explain how open brackets are represented on the straight line. How brackets are representation of brackets in maths. There are four types of brackets. One is how we can call x belongs to open bracket like x comma y 1. Another one is x belongs to one is closed bracket x comma y open bracket. Another one is x belongs to closed bracket x comma y closed bracket. Another one is x belongs to open bracket x comma y closed bracket. So there are four types of brackets. One is open bracket and ends with open bracket. Another one starts with closed bracket and ends with open bracket. Another one starts with closed bracket and ends with closed bracket. Another one opens with an open bracket, closed with closed bracket. So in straight line, how we can show this in a straight line? For that I'm taking a straight line. So I'm marking here 0, here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. For x place I'm taking here 1 and for y place I'm taking as 3. So that means x belongs to open bracket 1 comma 3. Here open bracket means here 1 is I'm taking here 1. Here open bracket means it starts from 1 but 1 is not included in this. So that means you exclude 1 and start from 1 comma 0.00000001. So from there you can start, but you should not include 1. So if this open bracket represents this thing and it belongs to it closes with open bracket 3. That means it will come until 3 but not on 3. So it will end at 3.999999. At that point it will end. So this is how we can represent open bracket closing with open bracket. So this portion is representing here x belongs to open bracket 1 comma 3. So here again I am taking x belongs to, for the x belongs to opening with closed bracket and closing with closed bracket. So that means x belongs to 1 comma 3. I am opening with closed bracket and closing with closed bracket. So in a straight line I have to represent this open bracket and this closed bracket. So here again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this closed bracket means it will start from that point. It will include this point also. That means I am including from 1. So the graph starts from this 1 to 3. So this 3 is closing bracket, right? This closing bracket ends with 3. So this whole portion comes under x belongs to closed bracket 1 and 3 closing bracket. So this whole portion comes under this x belongs to closed bracket 1 comma 3. Next here I'm taking x belongs to closed bracket 1 and ending with 3 with open bracket. So in a straight line, how we can represent this one? So here I am taking this as 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So here x is starting from the 1, this is closed bracket. Closed bracket means it will start from that point also. That means it will include that points also. So that here I am starting from 1 and here closing point is open bracket 3. I am closing, so that means here only I am not including this 3 portion, this closing portion. That means this whole portion comes under x belongs to open bracket 1 and 3 closing bracket. So this is how we can represent this x belongs to 1 comma 3 in a straight line. Here again, in this example, x belongs to open bracket x and closing bracket y. So here in a straight line, open bracket x means I am taking 1 comma 3 example, same example. So here x belongs to open bracket 1 comma 3 close bracket. Here I am taking 0, here I am taking 1, here I am taking 2, here I am taking 3, here I am taking 4. Here x is starting with open bracket 1. That means I will exclude this 1 and I will start from the next number. So this one number I will go on, and the closing one is closed bracket 3. So here that means I will include 3 and I will close this bracket. So this whole portion comes under x belongs to open bracket 1 comma closing bracket 3. So this is how we represent x belongs to this certain number on a straight line. If anyone says x belongs to minus infinity to infinity, that means what? It will come the whole straight line. Again, if anyone says x belongs to closed bracket minus infinity to 0 open bracket, that means if you take this as 0 on a number line, so you will exclude this 0 portion and you will include this up to minus infinity, from minus infinity to 0. If anyone says that means x belongs to closed bracket 7 comma closed bracket 11, that means on a straight line you will say this 7, if this is 11, this whole portion will come under x belongs to closed bracket 7 comma 11. So in the closed bracket we will include that point also. In the open bracket we will exclude that point and we will measure from the next number, next coming digit or next coming number. So this is friend. So we will see you in the next class with another video. Until then, take care, bye bye, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.